This is Action and Strategies presentation for Environmental Management 501, and I'm Lindsay Harden. Today is February the 4th, 2018. The topic of this presentation is based on the proposal of a community garden in North Carolina. The vision statement is as follows. Local community members and college students will work together to create a sustainable food system while maintaining a green space that will provide recreational opportunities for the community. We really want to establish a sense of community and independence through this project while also watching individuals with diverse backgrounds really come together and unite to support each other. We will establish a garden board committee to share, delegate, and manage tasks. This group will establish garden rules, establish pest, weed, and disease management, take soil samples annually, establish a planting season and crop rotation, and plan gardening educational workshops. For water management, to address the challenge of irrigation, a self-sustaining rainwater collection system, like the one you see here on the left, will be put in place to collect water. Capturing rainwater can be an available way to reduce costs and outgoing expenses for this community garden. The basic rule for designing one of these systems is that the volume of water captured must exceed the volume of demand. For weed management, we really want to recommend either hand pulling or boiling water. Also, homemade herbicides, such as a vinegar spray, can be effective. For pest management, we really want to encourage the planting of herbs that can naturally repel insects. Also, homemade insecticides will be beneficial as well. The use of garlic chili spray or a vegetable oil spray or even tomato leaf spray can really repel pests in these little community gardens. And the main concern for disease management of plants is you always want to keep your plants and your crops as healthy as possible, and yearly crop rotation will also be the most effective way to manage disease. Lastly, if none of these are effective, it'll be important to incorporate some type of integrated pest management with chemicals as a last resort. Criteria for success is as follows. Crop count, harvest count, rainwater collection, volume, the measure of food donations, and the measure of garden memberships annually. These methods of data collection will help evaluate the outcome of this garden and also allow for future improvements or adjustments as necessary. This concludes my presentation, and have a wonderful week.